Happy birthday, Sir Renee. Wishing you a wonderful day filled with happiness and success. Your leadership, vision, and dedication inspire us all, and we are grateful to be a part of the company you built. May this year bring even greater achievements, good health, and of course, countless moments of joy. Cheers to many more successful years ahead. Happy birthday.
Hello, Sir Renee. Happy birthday to you. I just want to say thank you so much for the opportunities that you have given to me, for the knowledge that you shared, for the encouragement, and for reminding me that I can do what others can. Thank you so much for the chance that you have given me to work here in QBTS, and it makes me feel like I'm so blessed. My wish for you is that may God will give you a billions, a countless of birthdays so that you can be an instrument that can give help to every one of us. May He will bless you together with your loved ones and will strengthen you every day. Thank you so much for your goodness. Again, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Sir Rene. May this special day filled with joy, good health, and blessing. Wishing you continued success and happiness in your year ahead. Once again, sir, happy birthday.
Hi, happy birthday again, Sir Renee. Wishing you the best things in life, more blessings to come, good health, and happiness. Happy birthday, sir.
Hi sir, Renee, good day. This is Sir or James. I just wanted to greet you a very happy birthday. Um, Hoping more birthdays to come and in good health always. And also more blessings. I-nag-shade po ako kasi bagong mata po ako, pula yung mata ko. So yeah, happy birthday sir. Hoping more years to come and thank you so much. Yan.
Happy birthday, sir. I wish you more birthdays to come, and I hope that more blessings to come in you, sir. And I wish you good health. Uh, Thank you for the opportunity, sir, and God bless you. Thank you. Happy birthday again, sir. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, sir! Wishing you all the best. Enjoy your special day. Happy birthday!
Feliz cumpleaños El Para Señor Rene. Happy birthday to you, si Rene. Actually, marami akong sasabihin but alam nyo na po kung gaano ako ka-thankful na magkaroon ng isang hindi lang boss, hindi parang isang kapatid, parang isang kaibigan, kuya, dahil po sa pagiging caring, supportive niyo po, not just sa akin kundi sa aming lahat, sir. Thankful po ako sa part na lagi mong iniisip ang kapakanan namin. Yes, personally, may mga part po sa buhay ko na tinulungan niyo po ko to be a better version of myself. Iyak na ako, sir. Yeah, joke lang. Pinakita niyo po sa amin na kung paano pagiging isang mapagbigay na tao, no, wala ka pong pinipili, wala ka pong pinapaboran, lahat pinapakinggan mo ang mga side ng bawat isa. You're really a transparent person that I've ever known. One thing that I really admire from you, sir, is that hindi mo po sinusolo yung kung anong meron ka. Instead, sinishare mo, and you really love to share things, to spend times, memories with people that you love and people that loved you. You treasured every single moment, sir. kung kasama mo sila or kasama mo kami. And yes, I really admire that kind of attitude or that character, and that it also helps me a lot in my own growth as well as who I am. So thank you so much. Marami pa ako sasabihin, sir, but alam niyo na po kung gaano ako thankful, like even from the start, sa mga jammings natin, sa mga pag-uusap-usap natin. Thankful ako. Salamat ng marami, sir. My wishes, prayers for you is that sana si Lord i-bless ka pa po ng not just 100 but 1,000 folds of blessings. Marami ka pa pong ma-inspired na tao at matulungan na tao through your life. Yes, thank you so much, sir, and more wisdom and knowledge, strength as well, more sound mind, a peaceful heart, and mahaba-haba pa, sir, ang time na magsama-sama tayong lahat. No, may build pa tayo ng memories together with the team, together with Miss Kat and the management team. Marami pa tayo mga team buildings, etc. Once again, sir, more blessings to come, more birthdays to come, and more cake to slice, more candles to blow. And don't forget, sir, to like, subscribe, and follow. Na joke lang po. Sana magpa-chubby ka naman mamaya, sir, para iwas gutom. Love you.
Happy birthday po, Sir Rene, and thankful po, God bless.
To our beloved CEO at nag-iisang boss sa QBDS, walang iba kundi si Sir Rene. Happy birthday po, sir. Wish ko po na marami pa kayong birthdays to celebrate, and also sana po mas marami pa mga bagong clients na darating sa janitorial para mas marami pa kami masiset na appointments, at syempre magkakaroon din kami ng commission. And also, lagi ko po sinasabi talaga dito sa Team QBDS na at sa buong management na thank you po for the opportunity. Wala kami dito kung wala po ang QBDS. Yun lang po. Stay humble and kind. May the Lord bless you always. More power to QBDS. Once again, happy birthday po, Sir Rene. Wish you all the best. Enjoy your day. God bless.
Hi, Sir Rene. Maligayang karawan po sa inyo. At gusto ko lamang pong sabihin na ako pinagpapasalamat po sa inyo ng taos puso. Dahil po sa ako ay tinanggap niyo po sa inyong kumpanya dito po sa QBDS, at maraming salamat po, sir, na kasi ito po ang pinakamalaking bagay at pinakamalaking blessings na nangyari po sa buhay namin, na ang matanggap po dito po sa QBDS at maging part ng QBDS family. And Sir Rene, maraming salamat po sa patuloy na pagsuporta, patuloy po na pagsubaybay sa aming mga agent, lalo na po sa akin. And maraming salamat po sa lahat po ng nagawa ninyo para sa akin, at lalo na po para sa aming mga agent po, na patuloy po na nagtatrabaho, patuloy po na nagpupursige para po sa ikauunlad ng QBDS. And once again po, Sir Rene, maligayang karawan at maraming salamat po sa lahat. Happy birthday, and I wish you more birthdays to come and a good health. May God bless you always. And maraming salamat po.
Hi, sir. Happy birthday. Thank you so much for this opportunity, and wish you all the best and good health. Stay guapo, and that's all. Thank you, sir. Happy birthday.
Hello sir, Rene. Happy birthday po sa iyo. Sure, wishing you a day filled of love, laughter, and everything that brings you joy. And sure, may this new year of your life be full of great moments po. And a new adventure and wonderful memories as well. And sure, thank you so much po for this opportunity and being a part or being an employee of your company. And I'm enjoying, sure, and I do really appreciate, and I love this job as well. And sir, yeah, may God bless you po all the time and stay safe as always, sir Rene. And thank you po, Sir Rene, sa lahat. Yan lang po. Happy birthday, Sir Rene, once again.
Happy birthday, Sir Rene. Good health always, more birthdays to come, and more blessings to come. And again, happy birthday, Sir Rene.
Hi, boss. Happy birthday. Eto na naman tayo. Let's add one more count onto that age and become a fine one. Continue to be a blessing to each and everybody else. Thank you sa lahat ng opportunities and everything as well. To the man who has it all, I don't want to wish more, but I want to say thank you for sharing the blessings that you have accomplished in life. Peace out.
Happy birthday. I wish you all the best in life. As always, I said, happy birthday. Thank you for being part of our life, and enjoy to the rest of your life, and enjoy the rest of your birthday. And thank you so much for everything. Happy birthday.
God bless you always and good health. Thank you.
Hi, Sir Rene. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best in life, good health, stay safe, and thank you so all.
More birthdays to come, sir, and good health. Thank you so much. Goodbye. Happy birthday again.